How to add sound alert in Twitch account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add sound alert in Twitch account. So to add sound alert, you need to open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in twitchtv.com. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the Twitch account, which is going to look something like this. So here, what next you need to do is go to your profile from the top right hand side corner, go to channels. As you press the channel option, you can see a lot of options in the left hand side bar of your screen. So while you're on this page, you need to go ahead and press on the profile icon and go to creators dashboard. While you press on creators dashboard, it's going to direct you to the next page, and from the left hand side bar you can find multiple options. So basically go and press the alert section, and this is going to take you to the alert page. Here you could go and start creating the alerts. So you could first follow the prompt on how you could go and create that. You could also enable all of these permissions, and this way then you could go and add sound alert in Twitch. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.